gum it. This is the front, this is the back. Now our arm fan is almost ready. Now we'll use trim to design it, to cover up all these edges so that it won't look rough. This is our trim. We'll be using our trim to design all the edges like this. What you do, you pick your gum, add your gum to the edges like this. Add your gum. After adding gum to all the edges from this point, you add your gum to this point. Then you pick your trim like this and start gumming to cover all the rough edges that we have on the arm fan. When you finish gumming to this edge, don't gum on this design. Then you have to gum here too on this design. You pick your gum and add your gum from this edge to this edge and still add your trim to it. Add your trim to the edge after gumming. When you finish adding your trim, this is how your arm fan will look like. The same way we added our trim to the front like this, you turn it to the back also like this and add your gum. Add your gum from this edge to this edge. Add your trim. Add your gum from this edge to this edge and add your trim as well. Add your trim to the back. Cut your excess trim out. Our Ankara Hand fan is ready. This is our Ankara Hand fan. This is the front of the hand fan and this is the back. You can fold it if you want and open it. This is the finished product of our Ankara Hand fan. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel Ankara Nation